channel. This is Emmy's Journey, and our video for today is our visit to the Universal Studio, and this includes the 1-week vacation in the USA last April, and part of it includes a 2-day vacation in Los Angeles. First day includes the downtown visit, and the second day is our visit to the Universal Studio. So join us as we explore the place, enjoy the beautiful view, and thank you again for joining us in my video, and follow for more. Thank you. God bless everyone. Maaga kaming gumising para maaga kaming makapunta sa Universal Studio kasi during the first day ng visit namin sa Los Angeles, matraffic doon, kaya inagahan namin gumising para masulit namin yung time kasi 1 day lang kami mamamasyal sa Universal Studio, so sulitin natin ang time. So yan, papasok na tayo sa Universal Studio and we are approaching the parking area, and nag-book kami ng ticket online. So dito sa parking hindi pa kasama yung admission, so iba pa ang bayad dun sa parking. So yan, we are entering the parking lot before we can enter the theme park. Yan, nakapark na kami, and yan, starting to take videos of the place. Kaya yan, picture na tayo. Enjoy, and samahan nyo kami sa aming paglalakad papunta doon sa entrance ng Universal Studio. Yan, excited na si Daddy pumasok. So, takbo na siya. Dito tayo doon sa bridge connecting the parking to the Universal Studio. So, it's our first time to visit this place, and nagpapasalamat kami sa Bunkein family and Daddy's family kasi pinahiram nila yung kanilang car. Kaya kami nakapunta dito, and hindi namin kailangang mag-rent ng car to visit this place. So nag-travel kami 4 hours from Las Vegas to Los Angeles. So we are in the first part ng Universal Studio. So dyan hindi pa namin pinakita yung ticket namin. Actually pwede kang pumasok dito na wala ka pang ticket kasi hindi pa ito part ng Universal Studio. So yung bungad pa lang ito, pero maganda na rin ang view dyan. And yan, let's enjoy, and punta tayo papasok sa Universal Studio. Let's enjoy the place. And ito ang part 1 ng aming pamamasyal dito sa Universal Studio, and kami family, and nandito kasama ang aming 2 anak, pero malayo ng mga aming anak, naglalakad na kanya-kanyang lakad. So yan, let's enjoy, and thank you again. studio sign. So, ito yung bungad ng Universal Studio, and picture muna kami dyan and ng family, and papasok na tayo doon sa mismong entrance. So yan ang aking dalawang anak, and let's enjoy. Yan, entrance tayo sa red carpet papasok sa Universal Studio. So dyan mo papakita yung ticket mo para makapasok ka sa loob, and yung place ay napakalaki. So papasok na tayo, and picturean muna bago tayo pumasok, and let's go. Yan, nandyan na tayo sa loob, and we are ready to explore the place. So thank you again for watching, and let's enjoy, and samahan nyo ulit kami sa susunod na aming video para sa part 2, para isa-isahin nating puntahan ang lahat ng part ng Universal Studio Hollywood. And thank you again for joining us sa aming pamamasyal. This is part 1, and join us in the part 2 sa aming pamamasyal sa Universal Studio Hollywood. Thank you again, and God bless to all. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and if you wanna follow my channel, please click the bell button, and I'll see you in more of my videos. Thank you, and let's enjoy, travel, and visit different places. Thank you again. Bye bye.